Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the simple process of changing your account birth date on the Pinterest app for PC, featuring the latest update. If you need to update your birth date for any reason, just follow these clear steps and you'll have it done in no time. First, start by opening the Pinterest app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look over to the left side menu where you'll see several icons. Click on the gear icon. This is your gateway to all settings and adjustments you can make on your account. After clicking the gear icon, you'll be taken directly to the settings menu. Here, find and select the section called Account Management. This area contains important account details, including your birth date. Now, under Account Management, you'll see your birth date displayed. Simply click on the date itself to edit it. A calendar or date selector will pop up, allowing you to choose your correct birth date easily. Once you have entered the correct date, be sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button. This confirms your update and makes sure your new birth date is stored on your account. Remember, it's important to keep this information accurate for Pinterest to provide the best experience and comply with their age-related policies. That's it. Changing your account birth date on Pinterest's app for PC is a quick and straightforward process with the latest update. Now you can confidently update your information whenever necessary. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed Pinterest experience.